Guys, uban na punta sa among kusina.
Guys, we're cooking our dinner tonight and it's going to be
Chef Scott's recipe of shrimp with veggies and coconut milk.
So we're starting off with cleaning the shrimps. We removed the black one on top. And these are our shrimps ready and prepared. Now it's time to prepare our veggies. We start off with a squash. Slice it into preferred sizes, then the string beans. We slice our peppers, the ginger, the onions, and the garlic. Using a clean pan, we melt the butter. Add the garlic and add the shrimps. Not gonna take long before it turns orange. We add our flavoring, pepper and salt. Now the shrimp is ready. We melt another butter. Stir fry our string beans. Add our ginger, our shallot, and the garlic. Now we add a squash, 2 glasses of water, fish sauce, pepper and salt. Then we'd cover it and let it cook for 3 minutes. When 3 minutes finish, we add the string beans. Mix it a little bit and then add the coconut milk. It's very important to mix everything at this point. Then we add our bell peppers. Mix it really well and let it cook in low heat for another 3-5 minutes. Now it's ready. So our shrimps are going in. Let it simmer for 2 minutes, then it's ready. Et voila! Scoville's shrimps with veggies in coconut milk. O, diba? Let's eat! Bon appetit!